P0705 Transmission Range Sensor Circuit Malfunction. The transmission range sensor, sometimes called the neutral safety switch or gear position sensor, tells the computer what gear the transmission is in. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and so on. The computer uses that information for a few important things. It controls when the vehicle is allowed to start, manages shifting, and also communicates with other systems. If the signal from that sensor doesn't make sense, is missing, or doesn't match what the computer expects, it sets the P0705 code. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, pay attention to symptoms. You might notice the vehicle won't start, only starts in neutral, has incorrect gear indication on the dash, or shifts improperly. Sometimes the transmission may even go into a fail-safe or limp mode. Second, inspect the transmission range sensor itself. On many vehicles, it's mounted on the outside of the transmission where the shift linkage connects. Make sure it's not loose, damaged, or out of alignment. If the sensor is slightly misadjusted, it can send incorrect gear signals to the computer. Third, check the shift linkage or cable. If the linkage is worn, loose, or out of adjustment, the transmission may not be in the exact position the sensor expects, which can cause incorrect readings. Fourth, inspect the wiring and connector going to the sensor. Since it's located on or near the transmission, it's exposed to heat, moisture, and road debris. Look for damaged wires, corrosion, or a loose connector. Fifth, verify power, ground, and signal from the sensor. Depending on the design, the sensor sends different voltage signals back to the computer based on gear position. If there's a problem in the circuit, the readings may not match what the computer expects. Finally, consider the sensor itself. Over time, internal wear or electrical failure can cause it to send incorrect signals. If everything else checks out, replacing the transmission range sensor may be necessary. A good general order when diagnosing P0705 would be: check for symptoms and gear indication issues, inspect the sensor and its alignment, check the shift linkage, inspect wiring and connectors, verify power and signal, and replace the sensor if needed. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a misadjusted or faulty transmission range sensor, wiring issues near the transmission, or problems with the shift linkage. That's pretty much it for this one.